Assalamu alaikum. This is Rahil Ayub Ansari from Excel Industrial Services. So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are going to review the different products and my services related to industrial and commercial sector. So today we are going to review the fire alarm system of the brand name Siterwell China. Okay, so as you know, we have fire alarm system related to the fire safety sector, and it's a basic and important part of any fire safety system, because fire alarm system actually indicate the fire and smoke as it started. So it's very important system and equipment which should be installed in every building, including residential, commercial or industrial, whatever. This is very important system we should understand and follow this system. So fire alarm system normally comes in two different types. One is conventional and second is addressable. So conventional is the fire alarm system which actually indicate the fire alarm zone wise, like we have 3 zones, 4 zones. So we convert or differentiate the conventional fire alarm system as per the zones. But in addressable fire alarm system, we work on a loop system where the system indicate exact location at which device has a problem or has indicate the fire. So this is two type of fire alarm system. So today we are just talking about the addressable fire alarm system of Siterwell, and the good thing is that this is the, I think, first fire alarm system, especially in Pakistan, which has UL certification. Not only for the panel, it has UL certification for all their equipments, including panel, including smoke detector, heat detector, manual call point, input output module, sounders, isolator module. All their equipments are UL listed. So this is very good advantage compared to the other brands. So Siterwell has a good range of fire alarm system in 1 and 2 loop, and it's very good for solution or you can say feasible for the small and medium sized building. Why I'm telling this? Because you see they have only 1 loop and 2 loop panels right now, but they are working on up to 12 loops which is under R&D process. But right now they have option of 1 loop and 2 loops. So each loop has 127 addressable devices per loop and 40 configurable zones. So if we go with one panel, so we have 127 devices we can install, and if we go with 2 loops, so we have 254 devices with 80 configurable zones. So first we just talk about the main things, like where these system will be installed. In commercial malls, office buildings, hospitals, hotels, schools, residential areas and small factories as well, we can install these systems. This fire alarm system we can install. So very good prices, very quality product and reliable product, because they have UL certification. And I believe that this product, if we talk about the price, is very competitive compared to the other brands. So first we talk about some basics. 32-bit 32-bit processor, ARM Cortex M3 install they have in their panel. High-low voltage separately protection circuit for safety. Pluggable loop PCB board available. Okay. Networking up to 64 panels. You can network 64 panels together. It's a very good sign. So we can go for a big areas and big buildings as well. AC type detector integration available by IO module. This is their model. Okay, loop option, 1 loop, expandable up to 2 loops. As I told you, they have only 1 or 2 loop. Okay, high contrast backlight LCD. You can see here is a backlight LCD, provide 4 rows of 40 characters. for device and system status. Okay, so 4 access level and 4000 event history log. Day night mode configurable up to 127 devices per loop, 40 configurable devices. Automatic device type code verification. So this is the basic summarized detail of their panel and the system. And now we talk about their fire alarm panel, because panel is the main part of any fire alarm system. So the model is GS690, which is 1 loop and 2 loop. Okay, so optional power supply, they also have option of optional power supply, maximum support up to 32 on stop in 1 loop. Okay, you can install this system as a optional if you want. Okay, so let's talk about the control panel. Analog fire alarm control panel. Power input AC 100 to 240 watts, 50 hours or 60 hours, both option available. Emergency power supply at 12 hours, 12 ampere at 24, means you can install the battery system as a backup. Okay, so battery fault voltage 20 watt. Okay, they have option this standby current 100 mA and DC 20 to 28 watt. Okay, loop current they need is 200 mA and relay output 3 by 1.8 DC 380 watt, 1 ampere and AC to 240 volts. Okay, humidity range they can accept up to 0 to 95%. It's good thing because this is the major issue in the areas where humidity is a major concern, and they actually create a problem in the panels, especially if we talk about the cities like which are very close to the sea. So there is a humidity issue and circuit breakdown, so they have good range of humidity up to 95%. That's great. Okay, temperature range is 0 to 49 degree. So normally in different countries it is very feasible for different countries where you have low temperature or high temperature, no problem in that. Support Ethernet 485 interface USB PC software. So this is their system. Transmission distance up to 3 kilometers, stable and reliable. You can see the transmission distance of this system is up to 3 kilometer, stable and reliable. They claim that. I don't know how much it will cover, but they claiming that 3 kilometer. So okay, fine. So this was the fire alarm control panel they are offering. So let's talk about the addressable heat detector. Heat detector actually is for the heat detection of the heat, where we install these detector where there is a heat, we want to detect a heat. So let's talk about the heat detector. The model is GS650. Okay, it's also addressable. Operating voltage is 16 to 33 watt DC. Standby current 200 UA at 24 VDC. Okay, action current 6 mA. Okay, greater than 6 mA. Sensitivity is 57.2 centigrade to 78.9 degree centigrade. 3 levels, 60 degree, 62, 65 degree. 2 fire LED allows 360 degree view. Okay, standard, you see this is very important. Standard UL 5 to 1 1999 standards. So this is UL certified. Humidity range 90 up to 93%. Working temperature range 49 up to, it goes up to 49 degree. So in hot water, hot weathers or hot conditions, it also feasible. 2 fire LED allow 360 viewing. That's a good point. 360 view they can cover. Size 150 by 59 millimeter. Okay, conventional heat detector is also for option. Okay, but we normally prefer, we are going with addressable, so we prefer to go with the addressable. Conventional, I don't know, sometimes we go with the conventional, sometimes clients need conventional, they have option of this as well. Okay, addressable smoke detector, the model is GS670, and I think they have the same features, but we also guide you in that. Operating voltage range is 16 to 33 VDC. Standby current 2200 UA at 24 VDC. Action current is greater than 6 mA. Sensitivity is 89 UA to 94 UA. 3 levels smoke sensor sensitivity, normal, low, high. Okay, 2 fire LED allow 360 viewing. Standard UL This is also UL certified. Humidity range 93 up to 93, temperature range 49 degrees, size 150 by 67 millimeters, so compact size. So you see, this is a manual call point. It's very good manual call point. Normally it's very expensive, but they have very good prices for the addressable manual call point. We also call it pull station. So the model of their manual call point is GS620. Operating voltage range is 16 to 33 VDC. Standby current is 200 UA to 24 VDC. Temperature range is 0 to 49 degree. Humidity range 93 up to 93 degrees centigrade. No, sorry, percentage. Humidity range is 93%. Standard UL 38. Wow, this is also UL certified. Size 138 by 104 by 55 millimeter. Compact size, good size, standard size, addressable type. So this is also UL listed manual call point. Okay, and you see addressable input output module. So this is the model of input output module is GS621. So input output module we normally use for some additional devices, like we have to use some conventional devices, so we use input output module. So they have input output module as well, and the model is GS621, and operating voltage is 16 to 33 VDC, loop current 200 mA. Okay, relay output 2 ampere 30 VDC and 0.5 ampere 1 to 5 VAC. Temperature range 0 to 49 degrees centigrade. Again, in hot weathers up to 49 degree we can go with this option. It's very feasible for the hot weathers as well. Size 124 by 124 by 63 millimeter. AC type detector integration available by IO module GS621. Optional, okay, and AC type detector integration available, okay. Optional input output. So this is the addressable input output module. So let's come to isolator module. The model is S623. Okay, operating voltage 16 to 33 VDC, and standby current is greater than 0.6 mA. Working current is greater than 30 mA. Relay output 1 ampere 30 VDA and 1 ampere 240 VAC. Temperature range as the same, 49 up to 49 degrees centigrade. Humidity range is 93%. Size 1 to 4 by 1 to 4 by 63 mm. And then come to the isolator module. It's dual option, UL 94 V2. They have this certification. Power type DC 9 watt battery. Alarm volume is greater than 95 dB. Okay, and 0.3 meter per fit. Okay, alarm type audio and visual. Okay, indicator LED, red light LED. Temperature range, as I told you, the same is 49 and minus 40 minus 120. Wow, it goes up to cold weather as well. No problem, that's good. Humidity range is 15-93 RH non-condensing, greater than 93% RH non-condensing. Installation method, mounting bracket. They have the method of mounting a bracket. Through bracket you can mount it. Operating life is 10 years. Good life, huh? Not bad. They have a 10 years life, they claim. So it's a good 10 years is quite enough for this device. I forgot the model. It's GS620 PO1 and it's UL listed. Okay, addressable horn strobe. So it's horn plus light. It's also indicate the light and also have the horn when you alarm. So if you see this, so this is only bell, and it's a horn strobe, means it's also have a bell and also have a light in this horn sounder. We call it sounder. So operating voltage is 16-33 VDC. Light intensity 15 CD, 30 CD, 75 CD, 110 CD. User selectable, depend on the user requirement. Okay, sound mode, they have different light intensity. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, sound mode, intermittent sound, continuous sound, optional. You have both sound option. Temperature range 49 degree up to, humidity is 93%, size 140 by 120 by 50 mm, low frequency 520 Hz, walking effectiveness, synchronizations option available, ceiling mount pending, self-test function available in this device. So this is a sounder, we call it addressable horn strobe, and this is simple, the standard and classic alarm bell they have. The model is GS626, operating voltage range is 16 to 33 VDC, standby current 0 ampere, alarm current 25 mA, alarm volume is more than 95 dB. What is the difference in this dB? Okay, they don't mention the dB here, but they have a dB here. Okay, 95 dB at 1 meter. But they have here 95 dB at 3 meter. Wow, it's 95 dB 1 meter. Terminal line 0 to 2.5 mm square. Temperature range 0 degree to 55 degree centigrade. Humidity range is 93%, more than. Storage temperature 25 degree to 80 degree. Storage humidity is 98%. Size 152 by 60 mm. So guys, this is you can see the whole package of fire alarm system addressable from the Siterwell, China, and this is UL 864 approved fire alarm system. And as I told you that this system is very competitive. If you go if you evaluate this package of fire alarm system Siterwell with the other brands, so with UL certification as per NFPA 72, this package we noticed that one of the best competitive price they are offering right now all over the world. Although this is Chinese origin, but you know, when you got UL certifications, you don't need to worry, because when any company get UL listing, so it's UL is stand for Universal Laboratories, and Universal Laboratories is situated in USA. So they follow the NFPA codes and standards, and they have their own restrictions to comply any product, and before giving any certification, they tested the equipments very strictly. So when any product which has this sign, so you can buy it very confidently, because this sign is very reliable sign all over the world, and nobody go against this sign, and acceptable all over the world. If you talk about the international fire safety codes, so this is one of the top level certification all around the world based on the European and American standards. But this system is American standards and codes NFPA 72. Other systems you will have UL certification, but they are based on the European standard EN54, European standard of fire alarm system. EN54 they have UL certification, but as per UL standard, European standard. But this system is totally UL NFPA 72 means American standard. So it's one of the top standards they are following in their system. So we hope you like this system, and for any query you can contact Excel Industry Services, who are looking after the promotion, marketing and sales for this. So you can go to their website www.eispark.com, and you can contact them for the prices or any technical queries you have. So we hope you like this video, and hope this product will be of your interest. If you are looking for to install fire alarm system, or you have a plan to replace your old fire alarm system or conventional fire alarm system to addressable, and you want to go with some good quality and top certified products, so Siterwell China is one of the best choice at the moment you have. So we recommend, if you have small, medium, like if you have devices up to 254 devices in your fire alarm system when you design, so you can consider this brand and their product, and we hope that you will like it. And for any queries, you can mention in your comments. We will try to reply you of all your queries. For at the moment, I will take I will guide you more videos on the system, and more detail about more products in our upcoming videos. So if you like our video, so subscribe and like the video. so that you can aware what we are going to, because we have a lots of products and services we want to share with you with their technical expertise and abilities and the certification, and all product reviews you will definitely find as per your expectations and your requirements. So connect with us, by subscribers, and we hope you will support us in this great channel through which you are getting information about the new products, new technologies, innovations all around the world. So we will keep continue updating you time to time. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.